So hi guys, Marcy's Sina Kitchen. Again, today is a new recipe. I'm going to cook bammy and saltfish. I'm going to fry my bammy, also fry my saltfish, have some chopped onion, some chopped scallion, some bell pepper, tomato, and some carrot to cook one side. Guys, stay tuned and I will show you what I'm going to do with my bammy and my saltfish. Guys, you know, some people eat fish, like fresh fish. No, you can eat all different type of meat with your bammy. You just want to know how to cook them to make it go nice with it, guys. You can cook rundown, sideways with your bammy. You can cook salt mackerel, all different type of meat you can cook with it. Guys, stay tuned. So guys, it's time for we to put our bammy into the milk. And guys, remember, don't put any salt into your milk because the bammy has already made with salt. So guys, when you put your bammy into the milk to soak, make it soak for your time. And when it soak, guys, you take out that bammy and fry it. Guys, when you eat that bammy and bite it, the juice will come up out of that bammy. Guys, it's very nice. When you soak your bammy, some people just fry the bammy without putting any, don't soak it, it don't taste nice. Because guys, when you soak it, the bammy is more tender to cook because it's already dry. It's a dry bammy, very dry. You look at it, get dry. So you need to put it into milk to make it soak before you cook it. So guys, this is the way we're going to cut the bammy. To get it into the milk. So guys, we have some what we cut here this way, and guys, we have some we're going to cut long way. You can cut your bammy in all different style to cook your bammy. So guys, this is the way our bammy look when we finish, cut it up. And guys, it's time for we now to get the bammy into the milk. So we're going to put the bammy into the milk to soak. Soak it into the milk. So when you get the bammy into the milk, guys, so guys, we're going to throw more milk inside of it to make the bammy cover right over. So get in more milk into it. We're going to place it in. So guys, we're going to make it stay there and soak for a while before we remove it from the milk to get it to fry. So guys, we already do our bammy and put it away to be soaked. So now it's time to prepare the saltfish. So guys, if you're going to fry your saltfish with your bammy, the saltfish not going to be cooked. You're going to fry, cut, slice it and fry it. So guys, it's best for you to soak it overnight. And if during the day you're going to say you're going to prepare a dish, you can soak it in the day. See, we get about 4 hours or so, make it stay there and soak. And you change your water and soak it again. Suppose you want it for dinner. On Friday, you love like nice things to eat. And if you want to say, but you know what? I want to eat some saltfish and bammy this evening for my dinner. Just soak it in the morning, no problem. You can soak it. And just have it, when you soak it, remove that water and soak it again. Then you're good to go and slice your saltfish and fry it. So you can fry it just like how you see it here. Post you're cooking for your load. You can slice the same way, and you can have it same. Just fry one piece of saltfish and have it. But post say why your saltfish to be shared. Post you have guests over and say, okay, you want to share it with your friends, husband or wife or children. Guys, you have to slice it up. So if you get more than one slice there if you cook it, so you're going to slice it up, guys. Oh, the bone inside. You're going to slice it up, guys. So see there, guys, you can share, because you slice it up. So you can go ahead now, guys, and don't fry your saltfish and eat the saltfish. But guys, you do not want this saltfish and Bammy to finish when you do it this way and prepare it this way. Guys, it's very nice. Guys, try it. Very nice. Enjoy, guys. When you try it, enjoy it. So guys, I just removed my Bammy from the milk. Now it's time to go and fry. And this is where it look when you remove it from the milk. So guys, the pot is already on the stove and getting hot. I choose to fry the Bammy first, and I'm going to fry the saltfish after, because we do not want our Bammy to taste of any salt. We want, when we bite the Bammy and we bite the saltfish, it's two different tastes. So we're going to look about our Bammy first before our saltfish to be fried. And guys, it's time now for me to put in our Bammy into the oil. So guys, it's time for me to check on our Bammy, to turn it. And guys, I do not know how you love your Bammy to be cooked, but as a person who love your Bammy to well brown, you can do it that way now. It's not everybody love them Bammy to be brown and golden brown. Some people love them Bammy half brown. But whatever way you love your Bammy, you can prepare your Bammy that way. Guys, it's time for me to remove our Bammy. I'm going to place it on napkin for it to be dry. So I'm going to place it on napkin and soak away the grease from it. There you go, guys. So guys, we get our Bammy out of the way. Now it's time for me to fry our saltfish. So guys, it's time for me to turn our saltfish. Golden pretty color. So guys, now it's time to get in our onions and guys, we're not going to put no spicy on it. When the time is right, we're going to put some vinegar on it. And a small amount of black pepper. So guys, I'm going to put a small amount of vinegar over it. I'm going to put a small amount of black pepper, and guys, it's all natural. And when I close it, guys, to make my carrot get a small amount of steam. So since my carrot gets a small amount of steam, I'm not going to close it again. So guys, look what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put in my saltfish inside of it. And I'm going to mix up my saltfish inside of this. guys, look how pretty it is. So guys, now it's time for me to remove my flames from underneath my pot. And guys, I'm going to enjoy it, guys. So guys, eat and enjoy with me, guys. You're part of my family, so eat and enjoy. And welcome to Marcy's Kitchen.